Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Facebook profile into a page. Recently Facebook allows Facebook account owners to convert their personal Facebook account into a page, alright, instead of creating other pages. Okay, instead of creating a page, you can convert your personal account into a page, thereby converting your friends into a followers, which is very very good. Okay, because instead of starting from scratch to build a page, you can convert your personal Facebook account which has maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 friends. You can convert them to followers. Okay, when you convert your Facebook account into a Facebook page, those your friends will now turn to your followers. So I think it's very very nice. So I want to show you how you can do that. Open the Facebook app. Okay, you click on this your profile piece by the left. Okay, when you click on that your profile piece by the left, you click on these three dots. Okay, these three dots here, click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you scroll down. All right, you see this turn off professional mode. So this is my personal Facebook account, so I have changed it to a page. Okay, so it says turn off professional mode. So my own says turn off because I have turned it on. So if you've not done that, if you've not converted your Facebook account to Facebook page, so your own will be turn on professional mode. So you will see turn on professional mode instead of turn off. Okay, so you click on it and turn it on. Okay, so in that case, let me go back. In that case, your Facebook account will automatically change to a page. Okay, had it been my account is not yet converted to Facebook page, you will see 923 friends. Okay, but because I've turned it on, you will now see 923 followers. All right, so that's how to do it, guys. See you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. All right, bye.